Hello, welcome to No Inches DIY. Today it's another DIY cooking adventure. So what I got here is my homegrown taties, the sweet potato. I've got some homegrown goat leg here. Now this is vegan goat because I didn't have to kill the animal. I just took its front leg off and let it hop around. A bit of white wine and some onion. So I'm going to start by just chopping this onion up and giving it a fry off. Let's do that. Look at that chopping board, that's a disgrace. B.O.B. as they say in English. Bit of butter. Light that up. Now I washed that pan thoroughly because I cooked haggis in it before and that was very Scottish. And you see why millions of Scottish people emigrated to get away from food like that. Alright, our butter's melting away delightfully there. Alright, now there's a beautiful piece of meat. What does it need on it? I would say just pepper and salt. Right, let's get a roasting pan. I'll just get some of these bigger potatoes just to keep it up off the floor of the pan. I'm just spreading the onions around in here. Alright, now I've got my barefoot Sauvignon Blanc. Now, is wine with the screw top better? Of course it is. It's at half a bottle. So what happens, the drippings from this meat will go into this onion and wine mix here. And that'll be quite delightful. So I'll put a little bit of water in this. Okay, what I'm going to do here, just put that in with a couple of potatoes, just keep it up off the deck. Got some big wide foil here. If you didn't know, foil has two sides, a reflective side and an absorbing side. So I want this to absorb the heat, so I'm going to put the reflective side down. This lid goes on just for the first hour of cook time, just to keep that steam in. Then for the last bit, we take it off, and that helps give us a nice crisp skin. I've set the oven to over 200 degrees, 240 degrees C. Alright, this now goes in. Top shelf, of course. I'm going to do it with some sweet tatty, some homegrown taties, little ones. I'm just going to sort of half cook these in the microwave and then just crisp them up in there. And I'm also going to do some beans and some bok choy as greens. Alright, so I've cleaned up some baby taties. They're going to just have a spin in the microwave. Okay, so the roast has been in the oven now for around 40 minutes. So in about 10 minutes, I'm going to take the foil off and let it crisp up. And in the meantime, I'm just going to cut up some sweet tatty. Right, I'm pulling this roast out after its first half. Peel it back. Ooh. Okay, so we've got a good steam through there. Now the last stage of the process is just crisping it up a bit. So I'm going to put my veggies in there. Alright, I'm just going to make some green veg. Just give this a quick fry up. It's going to be our greens for our roast. See, this bok choy often carries a lot of dirt. I'll just do the stems first. Give them a good wash. Just top all these beans. The cooking time for these should be about the same. And that. So I'll just top these. Just trying to get that sinew off the top. It's a bit chewy. I've given my greens a bit of a wash. I'm just going to give them a quick fry up. Might just put one garlic with them. And then because these take a lot less to cook the leaves, I'll just give them a wash and I throw them in last second. Now old mate, that's what I reckon. He uses lids that don't fit. I don't even have a lid, so I'll just put a plate on there. Alright, this is coming out of the oven. Roasted to perfeccione, as they say. Alright, now it's time to carve up this beautiful creature. Ooh, giddy up. And there you have it. Vegan goat roast, front leg, no animal killed in the process.